Hello. I don't know if you watched my video from last year. With this tree, I was using a blue pot similar to this one, a little smaller maybe, and something happened during the week. The pot was on the ground, broken. So this is an unplanned repotting. I need to get a new pot for the tree because this is only like temporary. And I'm going to use a similar pot like the one I used before. So let's do this. So let's start by cutting the mesh that I'm going to use to cover the drainage hole to prevent the substrate from washing out when I water the tree. A little piece like this is enough. Like this. And I'm going to use also some wire to secure the tree into the pot. Although I wasn't planning the repotting, the root system was already going around the old pot. I just removed a bit from the substrate on the bottom so I could loosen the roots on the bottom of the root ball because they were already going around. Just some light pruning. I'm not going to prune too much. I will wait for the beginning of summer. This tree almost died last year. I had a pest. So I'm going to let it recover completely before any additional pruning. And what I'm doing, it's not pretty, but I don't have time to wire it properly. Okay, and that's it. No more pruning. I need to let it recover. Okay, have a great week. Take care. See you next weekend. Bye bye.